for any kind of a measurement. One is called as an absolute measurement, the other one is called as a relative measurement. The relative measurement you do with reference to some kind of a standard. Okay, that is called as a relative measurement. When you say the absolute measurement, that means like you don't have any standardization procedure. When in case of, again coming back to the KF volumetry, KF coulometry, KF volumetry is the relative measurement and KF coulometry is absolute measurement. Here you cannot do any standardization. You can just validate your system with the known standard and check it out whether the known standard is coming as per the certified value, what you called the COA, certificate of analysis. As for that it is coming or not, only that you can do it. But for coulometry, no kind of a standardization, only you can cross check with the known standard. Okay, so the basically
What are those known standards?
known standard, like no, you can have it like you have 1000 ppm water standard and you have 10,000 ppm water standard and you have 100 ppm water standard. Those standard you can inject and then you can check it. And in coulometry, when the moisture level is low, you have to take higher volume of your sample. When the moisture is on the higher side, you have to take the lower volume of your sample. Okay, so that's a thing you can do it. And now the basic thing what I did, it has only one method. There is no different method. It has only one method, and the default method is already available. I just did little bit of modification here and there. That's it. Then I store the method. The method name called as KFC, Karl Fischer coulometry. Okay. So what you have to do it initially when you come and when you want to start the analysis, what you do is here you have a different button. Madam, help me to switch on the machine. This is a power button. And normally we get here, it was here because this eco-titrator all put together the new model for me, and this model is existing for a long time, and this plus minus button stop start. Okay.
What is this plus minus for?
This is to when you go and get into the method, when you want to have the stirrer rate, for example, it is 8 set and you want to increase it, you can press the plus. And when you want to reduce it, you can press the minus. When you want to stop it, you can press this. When you want to start, you can do this thing. These we call it as a radio button. Okay. So now the machine, it has been loaded with the reagent. So what we fill outside is 100 ml of anodic solution and 5 ml of your cathodic solution inside on this. And there are the part is like you have a titration vessel and inside you have a stirring bar, and this part is called as an indicator electrode and this is called as a generator electrode. Okay, so we have filled the solution on the anodic and cathodic solution we have filled, and we can start the measurement. So only thing, as a research scholar or as a MSc student or whatever, only job is like you can just come and press start here.
Okay.
So once you start, the machine will start and then it will indicate the value here.
Okay.
So the drift value should come below 20
Okay.
and the potential should come less than 50 millivolt.
50.
50.
So right now drift is 0. No?
Drift is 0. That's what I told before adding. After adding, I told this already been used.
Drift
Who
0
used?
means good or no? Drift 0 means it's good or no?
0 is drift 0 is good for me, but the potential is danger for me.
4.4.
Millivolt.
Range of
50.
My expectation is 50 to 53.
So
Already it has.
For the
used.
You have some methanol?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we have
Methanol,
methanol.
Recently-
ethanol.